making some meatballs. And you're going to need a few ingredients to do that. I need 1 egg. I need some breadcrumbs. I need some parsley, some oregano, and some basil. I need just a dash of ground cumin, some pepper, some minced onions, or a real one if you have one. I didn't have one. Some onion powder, some garlic powder, and just a tad bit of some seasoned salt. So yeah, you're going to have to use your hands. You got to get in there and mix it up. So let's get started. There's just a little bit left in here. It actually only comes up to probably about a quarter to a half of a cup. If I need a little bit more, I'll put it in there, but I don't think I need any more. A little bit of pepper. A little onion powder. A little garlic powder. Just a dash of cumin. Just a dash. Some seasoned salt. Some minced onions. And of course, you're going to be adding all these herbs and spices to suit your taste. But to tell you, most of them come up to between an 1/8 to a 1/4 of a teaspoon. All right, here we go. Mix it up well. And I gotta tell you, I will say, I want to do one more thing. I want to add one more thing. I want to add just a splash of some Worcestershire sauce. Just a splash. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just take a little bit. You can use a spoon if you need to help you, you know, measure out the size of your meatball. I just kind of eye it. And I put it in my pan. We're going to fry them up. Brown them on all sides. Some are going to be a little bit bigger, some are going to be a little bit smaller, you know. That's okay. They're bigger, they're smaller. That's okay. Or you could just make several huge ones if you wanted to. It's up to you. Do it your way. I'm just showing you how I do it. Okay, now that I have all my meatballs in my pan, I'm going to go ahead and brown them up on all sides. Once these are browned on all sides, I like to put them on a plate and kind of get some of that fat off of them, or grease off of them. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just drizzle some, again, Worcestershire sauce, just a little bit over the top of them for flavor. Then I'm going to cover them up, and I'm going to finish cooking them in my oven. At actually a lower heat than what you would normally cook meat at. About 350 for a good 20 minutes, maybe, would be good. So 350 for 20 minutes. And we'll get them nice and cooked. So I decided that I was going to make some spaghetti Alfredo, and with meatballs. Now I'm not going to endorse any brand of Alfredo sauce, and I don't have time to make my own. Nor do I think I have all the ingredients anyway. So I'm not going to endorse any brand at all of any Alfredo sauce, but I will say I like using this sauce because if you see right there, it says 100% of the profit goes to charity. 100%. So that's why I chose to use this brand of Alfredo sauce. It's not bad either. It's pretty darn good. So, you know, when you give to other people, it just makes you feel good. So, 100% profits to charity. I like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour my Alfredo sauce in to my spaghetti that's been drained. mix it up. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells delicious. Try some. See if it works. It's where I want it. Oh my goodness. Mmm. That's good. Okay. My meatballs are out of the oven. And I have my pasta ready. So that is what is for dinner tonight. Meatballs and pasta. Meatballs and pasta. And when you put it on your plate, add a little Parmesan cheese. Okay, everyone. Be safe, be well, be kind. Bye-bye.